Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the final day of our Easter event. We have been over here for 4 days and it's the final day. Shame to be going home, but you know, it's probably a good thing for the trucks because they've been pretty beat on. Today we've just got myself and Lando and then the Zook as well. Unfortunately the Hilux lost its oil and yeah, has no rear drive shaft and ripped a whole bunch of mounts and stuff, so a bit of a mess. So the Hilux is out, but we're going to be hitting a couple of tracks pretty local to Reefton, just out the back. So yeah, we're going to get loaded up and hit the road. Alright guys, well you missed our video from 2 days ago. We did Petrol Hill at night. We came up that track there. Anyway, this time we are going off down this one here, but this is a cool one. Apparently there's a few rock steps, a couple of good climbs and descents, so should be good. Good way to fill in a little bit of the morning. We'll see how much time we've got after that to go do something else maybe.
Then I was at the point where I was like, I don't want to try and reverse too then. Slider it can go. Water panel.
Yeah, it's reasonably steep. Should be fun.
Yeah. Bet that felt great for Tim inside that truck.
Volunteer content.
See, he's driving around the corner because he needs to change.
What's that, Lockie? Time for a short wheelbase Suzuki?
Yeah, we might winch that.
That was not a fun descent. That was proper rough. There's a couple of nasty wee humps right at the bottom, and they kind of bounce from one into another. Woo, it was brutal. Anyway, let's film them coming up. How's that feel? Yeah.
watch out.
Right guys, well, come across a cool wee hole in the ground. I believe it's not an actual mine or anything, it's just a hole in the ground. Ugh. Yeah, check this out. I'll get some light for you. It's just a random wee hole. It's very cool. I don't know what the history is with this, but yeah, it's definitely quite a cool wee spot. Anyway, we'll continue on cruising on. I must say that that step down, that was brutal without any winch lowering. That was proper brutal.
And just like that, we have returned back to where we went in, to the back entrance of Petrol Hill. It appears that in 7 years of owning the truck, Tim still hasn't worked out how big the turning circle is. And Lockie's just trying to run me over because he's a prick.
Alright guys, well we're back from the last track. Got a wee bit more time to kill, so figured we'd come have a look at Struggle Street, see if I could make it up this time, since you may remember last coast trip I had a couple goes at it and couldn't quite get up there. So it looks actually not as bad as last time, other than the fact it looks like someone's been up freshly and, you know, made a right mess of it. So it's going to be real greasy, which will make it a lot harder, but we'll see how we go. I'll try a couple different lines and see if we can make it up. little bit harder than last time. Anyway, I don't know whether Lockie's going to want to go through that mud hole, but I don't really. It's just pretty bottomless for trucks on 32s, 33s. So we'll, I mean, we've got to have a quick look at it, see if it's been dug out at all, but probably just go back the other way, the way we came in. What do you reckon, Matt?
I reckon it doesn't look any better.
No, yeah. Oh,
Oh, they've been in.
There's been a diesel in there. Oh, and that's what my tow bar and fuel tank would be doing as well. Yep. So last time we just turned around here, unless you really fancy going through.
Oh, I'll go with the turn around, I think.
Yeah, it's
Relatively clean.
yeah, exactly. Yep. Alright guys, well, bit of a shorter trip today. Obviously we've got to drive back, well I got to drive back to Christchurch, which isn't so bad, but Lockie's got to get back to Timaru or Temuka. So yeah, a bit of a drive ahead of him, so makes sense to hit the road nice and early. Anyway, we're going to air up and cruise on out of here. Right guys, well that pretty much wraps up the whole trip. We had an absolute cracking time over here. 4 days of just really good wheeling, and yeah, to have no major breakages on, well, 2 out of the 3 trucks is not too bad.
Breakages,
yeah. What counts mostly is that this thing's still going because I don't have a trailer I can chuck it on, so I'm pretty pleased about that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it all. It's been, yeah, awesome filming. Absolutely loved it and can't wait to be back over. Good news is, I think 2 or 3 weeks time we are back over here for another 3 days of it, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe for everything else that's ahead. Give us a like, it's much appreciated, and yeah, we'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you all very much for watching, and we'll see you then. Cheers guys.